Okay, so in today's we have just started, what is Pandas and how it works and why you need Pandas. As I said, if you are working with large files, Pandas is actually, an obvious option for you. And you can see it's very powerful and very interactive. Even with your eyes, it's very easy to see when data is actually arranged in tabular form, which is actually very, very useful. Now, in the next videos, we're going to see more about Pandas, how you can read, CSV files, JSON files. Okay, maybe we'll not cover all of them, but you can read different kind of files. You can read CSV files, Excel files, JSON, SQL files. It's very, very, very powerful. It doesn't mean you cannot do, the same with NumPy. NumPy also can read different kind of files. But what I'm saying is, for the sake of this class, in the next video, we're going to see a little bit more on how to work with different files from Pandas. Okay, so thank you for your attention. I believe you're catching up with what we have actually studied now. Now, I would recommend that you go and put hands-on practices. This YES lab is very useful. Go to other, instructors, read their different contents, and then later on you should be able to integrate, because as you know that at the end there has to be some kind of an output where you integrate different knowledges from all these different lecture videos. Okay, so thank you again for listening and see you guys next time.